These air-fried chicken tenders are so crispy, juicy, and totally guilt-free. They are about to become your family staple. Hey guys, I am Natalia with Mom's Dish, and today we are in slightly different environment because we actually moved to Tennessee, so we're all the way in the South now. And guess what? You gotta do the classic of the South. We're gonna be doing a fried chicken, but this one is gonna be in the air fryer. So it's much healthier, much better for you, and super easy. The ingredients you'll need for this recipe, we have some chicken tenderloin, which is 2 pounds, some salt and pepper, an egg, and also Panko breadcrumbs. And if you wanna make it a little cheesy, you can add some Parmesan cheese, and I'll show you a little bit towards the end how we can do this. We're gonna work in that crust, so basically place your breadcrumbs into a larger bowl. Then we have some pepper we're gonna be adding in here, some salt, and you just combine it together. And all the measurements will be down below, that way you guys can see exact measurements. But toss this together and just set it aside. Now let's investigate this chicken tenderloins. So basically, when you get chicken tenderloins at the store, oftentimes they have this white tendon on the inside. You wanna remove it. It does not taste good. It will just basically ruin them. So here's how you can remove them, super easy. Grab a fork, place the little tendon in between the fork, and hold on with your nails to it and just pull it right out. Easy peasy. Another thing, you wanna make sure that all of your chicken pieces are exactly the same size, that way they all cook evenly. So, some of them are thicker, some of them are thinner. I'm gonna make them all the same size here. This one's a little thicker. And I'm just pretty much eyeing this whole thing. You can use a scale if you really wanna be particular. I'm not a very particular person, this one's perfect. And now we're gonna coat all the chicken pieces into the crumbs. So you start with a piece of chicken, coat it generously in the egg wash, or whisk egg. It's not really wash. Just be generous, and then you dip it into crumbs, and you just press it along all the sides to make sure every part of it is coated. What I like to do is just layer them out here on my surface and keep going until I have a few at least. That way we can get it going in the air fryer. You know how I mentioned the cheesy chicken tenders? You can add some Parmesan cheese to the crust. So basically, about half a cup if you want to. This should be good. Toss it together, and you can use it for that crust. If you have seen our other air fryer videos, we actually upgraded to a new air fryer and we absolutely love it. It's durable, it's amazing, and we will link to it down below. So let's air fry these chicken tenders. We'll need to pop out this basket. And I like to spray the bottom with this avocado oil. Just slightly so they don't stick to the basket. And then you place chicken tenderloins on the bottom, and you don't want to overlap them because you want them to cook on all the sides equally. Another thing you can do is do a little spray of avocado oil on top. It'll make them extra crispy. Yes, we're using an air fryer, we're trying to avoid oil, but just a little bit of avocado oil is actually not gonna be bad for you. So a light spray of oil on top, just like so. And then we're gonna pop them in the air fryer. Challenges to the video. So we're setting this to 390 degrees, if I can reach it. And we're gonna air fry for 4 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them over and air fry for 5 more minutes. So let's do this. Hey, come on. Here we go. Just wait. Now that my air fryer just beeped, we're gonna flip it over. Just kind of shift it to the side. So basically, just turn it over. You want them to gain a nice golden crust right now. Also, to check the doneness of the chicken, just get yourself a nice, good thermometer that will last you a lifetime. This is a good one. We love it. We've been using it for years. Basically, Tim wanted to be on camera, made me change a whole outfit. Right out laptop, what's happening, Tim?
Not that bad, but we did have an audio malfunction. So, but on the good side, we do have the video for you guys, and the reaction is priceless. So check it out.
Ethan came in for a taste test because it's one of his favorites. He loves them. We make large batches because we know leftovers are always so good. They're juicy, so delicious. You can see it by his precious little face.
He could not hold his expression. As a matter of fact, the moment the cameras turned off, he was digging for the chicken. Jacob, his older brother, was digging for the chicken. Honestly, it turned out to be pretty amazing.
Yep. We don't have any more chicken to share, so that's how we're wrapping it up.
Any takeaways for the recipe? Anything that you've learned along the way or that you want to share?
Basically double up or triple the recipe because you can easily reheat it in the air fryer. They're so easy to make. I hope you guys make them.
And yes, do get that air fryer. You'll have that link down below.
Yep.
And join us, give us more ideas. We're excited for air fryers.
See you next time.